Attention to detail is a career strategy. Good morning, team. Small misses in consulting rarely stay small for long. A wrong date on a slide, a broken link in a deliverable, a name spelled incorrectly, a number that does not match across 2 pages, a sentence that sounds rushed, a status update that leaves out one key detail. On their own, these may look small. In consulting, they're not. Details shape confidence. When the details are right, people trust the work more. When the details are sloppy, people start wondering what else may be off beneath the surface. That's why attention to detail is not just about neatness, it's about credibility. Our clients expect precision. Our leaders expect precision. And the consultants who build a strong reputation are usually the ones who take the extra few minutes to review, to clean up, to double check, and tighten up their work before it goes out the door. Attention to detail shows respect for the work and for the people receiving it. It also protects you from avoidable mistakes that can distract from otherwise good thinking. Strong consultants develop review habits. They proofread before sending, they test links, they verify numbers, they check formatting, they look for inconsistencies. They slow down just enough to catch what others miss. This doesn't mean perfectionism for the sake of perfectionism. It means discipline. The goal is simple. Reduce preventable errors, improve clarity, strengthen confidence. Details matter because they influence how your work is received long before anyone fully evaluates the substance. So this week, don't rush good work out the door one click too early. Review it like your reputation is attached to it, because it is. Here's your call to action. Before you send your next important email, deck, document, or status update this week, give yourself a final quality pass. Focus only on details, accuracy, clarity, and presentation. Let's have a strong week.